Rosemary Benefits. Rich in antioxidants, rosemary contains high levels of antioxidants, such as carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid, which can help protect the body against damage caused by free radicals. Anti-inflammatory properties. Rosemary has anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including conditions like rheumatoid arthritis and asthma. Memory boosting. Some studies have suggested that rosemary may have a positive effect on memory and cognitive function, and may help improve attention and concentration. Digestive health. Rosemary has been used traditionally to aid digestion and reduce bloating and gas, and may also help stimulate appetite. Hair growth. Rosemary oil can be used for hair growth. It increases blood circulation to the scalp and stimulates hair growth, and may also help reduce hair loss. Relieves pain. Rosemary has been found to have pain-relieving properties, making it a natural remedy for headaches, muscle pain, and menstrual cramps. Skin care. Rosemary oil can be used for skin care. It's been found to have anti-aging properties and may also help reduce the appearance of acne and other skin blemishes. Reduce stress. Rosemary essential oil is known to have a calming effect and may help reduce stress, anxiety, and improve mood. Boosts immune system. Rosemary has been found to have antimicrobial properties, which may help boost the immune system and protect against infections. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that compounds in rosemary may have cancer-fighting properties and may help prevent the development of certain types of cancer.